In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage user roles in Xero. If you're an account owner, an admin, or someone responsible for controlling who can see and do what inside your Xero account, this walkthrough is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to adjust a user's access and how to update their permissions safely and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to xero.com. Sign in with your usual login details if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization, especially if your Xero login is connected to multiple businesses. Managing user roles is a powerful task, so it's important you're in the right place before you make any changes. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Xero dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your organization's name there. Click on that organization name to open a drop-down menu. This is where Xero keeps a lot of global options, including where you'll find the settings that control users and permissions. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings area for your organization. The layout can vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for the section that deals with people who have access to your Xero file. On the settings page, look for and click on Users. This is where you can see everyone who currently has access to your organization, along with the status of their invites and the general level of access they have. It's worth taking a quick moment here to scan the list and make sure you recognize the people who are listed and that they still need access. To change someone's role or permissions, find the specific user you want to update. On that user's row, look for the icon with three dots, often called the More Options or Actions menu, and click it. This menu is where Xero hides extra options related to that user, such as editing their access or in some cases removing them if they no longer need to be in the system. From that three dots menu, select Change Permission. This will open the detailed permissions screen for that user. Here you can adjust what they can see and do, such as whether they can view reports, approve invoices, run payroll, or access sensitive financial information. Take your time on this screen, think about the person's role in your organization, and only give them the level of access they actually need. This is a key part of keeping your financial data secure and reducing the risk of accidental changes. After you've made the necessary adjustments, scroll down if you need to, and when you're happy with the new settings, click Update Permission. This saves your changes and applies the new role and access level to that user. It's often a good idea to let the person know that their access has been updated, especially if you've given them new responsibilities or restricted something they used to be able to do. That's all there is to it. You've now seen how to navigate from the Xero dashboard to your organization settings, open the users list, choose a user, and safely update their permissions.